At 10 News Weather Authority from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. We're in for another cool and calm night tonight before that sunshine and warmth continues tomorrow. Looking ahead, we're going to see plenty of sun here this week. And as we get later on, we'll see that lunar eclipse early Friday morning, and then also watching the chance for a potentially stronger weekend storm coming in later on Saturday night into Sunday. That being said, let's go through that eclipse real quick. Time duration of it, about 2:26 in the morning until about 3:30, with totality occurring at 2:56. It's going to be a pretty neat thing to watch. Moon's essentially going to turn blood red, hence why it's called that full warm blood moon. It's going to be visible with or without a telescope. It's the first time this has happened since 2022. As for what's going on today, though, pretty calm throughout our region as we see that low pressure system that was bringing in quite a bit of rain to parts of the Carolinas moved offshore. And the biggest thing we're watching right now is really just nice temperatures, clear skies throughout our area. And that's primarily because of high pressure really dominating the region and continuing to keep us dry here. That changes as you go further to the west, as you can see some of those low pressure systems and quite a bit of an active west coast in terms of snowfall and some flooding threats down in parts of the California area. Just really active west coast weather. As for us, we're nice and quiet for now. Temperatures right now throughout the region in the mid-70s in Roanoke, Bedford, Alta Vista, east of Roanoke into Southside, and a little bit cooler, mid to upper 60s, low 70s in parts of the New River Valley and Highland zones. And as for tonight, we're going to chill out down to the 40s. Now, while last night we were still rather cold with most of the area being in the 30s, we're going to start seeing those low temperatures become a little bit warmer as we continue to warm up this week with our high temperatures. So Roanoke at 45, Blacksburg at 39, Bedford at 45, Danville at 40, and Hot Springs at 44. As we go into tomorrow, heating right back up to where we were today. So tomorrow's going to be very similar to what we experienced today with those warm temperatures throughout the region within the 60s and 70s, with the warmer you go going further to the southeast. That heat continues throughout most of this week. As you can see, we're going to be above average in terms of temperatures here throughout the course of the week and as we head into the weekend, although we will start to get a little bit cooler after the next cold front passes through. That cold front is going to be what ends up bringing us our showers and storms possibly coming into the area Saturday night into Sunday. And you can see that in the form of this cold front that's going to push through late night Saturday into Sunday, bringing in some widespread rainfall and potentially some severe weather as well in the form of damaging wind gusts and very low tornado threat. I think tornado threat's going to be primarily to the west of Virginia, but again, we're still going to monitor it and see. 7-day outlook, again, 70-degree temperatures throughout the course of this week, and that cold front will pass later on Saturday night into Sunday, bringing in that storm risk as well as plenty of rainfall, but it's also going to cool us down into the 60s Monday and Tuesday.